Check your map coordinates and set it at 0 degrees latitude and 78 degrees west. In here, you'll be able to find 4 completely different worlds in just one small piece of land. A paradise, in fact. And we will call this place Ecuador. The coast side. Tropical peaceful waters ruled by the smooth tides along beautiful beaches. The Enchanted Islands. Identically unique. Explore the Ecuadorian greenish Andes, from 2,000 to 6,000 meters above the sea level, home of exotic animals like the spectacled bears among others. Despite being located in a tropical region, volcanoes are partially covered by a thick layer of snow and glaciers the whole year. Nevertheless, the ice is melting. The name of this particular volcano means neck of the moon. We used to call these cliffs Andes. This country is known due to its geological diversity. Crater lakes are necessarily considered part of its amazing landscapes. A powerful volcano, located 14 kilometers north of a small village named Zimbabwe. 800 years ago, the eruption was so vast it left this 3 kilometers wide crater, the biggest volcanic structure on west side. Colored by minerals and algae, the stubborn weather makes this lake appear look like a changing color from dark blue to fluorescent green. Mindo is a small village in the Andean foothills of Ecuador, laid on a watershed and surrounded by the mountains of the western Andes. It is also set in an extensive cloud forest, land of hummingbirds, toucans, and agoutis. Irrigated by rivers and waterfalls along the time, we should explore this region between the mountain range and the Amazon rainforest. While the weather remains subtropical, and yet it seems biodiversity has claimed its domain. Davis Cauldron is known by its strength and its stone-carved stairs. This waterfall owed its name to its pure whiteness that looked like a classical bride's veil. The swing at the edge of the world. A bloody event is being hidden in the deepness of this lake. The Incas baptized it Lake of Blood. Hot springs are the result of the emerging underground watersheds from the heart of the Antezana volcano, which means cliff path. Speaking about volcanoes, this one got its name from the Quechua indigenous language, perhaps means rainbow lake, and diving is one of its main activities. In its proximities, it is possible to observe native community farmers working side by side in a cooperative system, referred as Minga. It involves not only farming, but also helping their neighbors in order to repair common infrastructure or houses for the new inhabitants. Peguchi is one of the last specialized places in order to provide authentic handmade handicrafts. Typical activities from this area involves agriculture, textile trades, folkloric dance, and regional gastronomy are certainly a heritage from their culture. An overview of the Ecuadorian main city has been provided through these images. Let's take a look at the 3 different aspects of the metropole. San Francisco de Quito was founded in the 16th century by the Spanish expedition led by the stubborn Spaniard Sebastián de Madagascar over the ruins of the Inca Empire. As it can be seen, the city was established on the slopes of the Pichincha volcano. The architecture reveals a fusion due to the Spanish, Italian, Moorish, and Flemish styles, while the buildings were raised. In contrast, the modern area is characterized for having tall buildings, a central park, and surrounding eucalyptus forest. The railway system is quite impressive in this section of the path. Workers and engineers were pretty ingenious in order to achieve their mission.